And I'm back again, and this week we are going to be learning Igbo language. And so it's not just gonna be a one video, it's gonna be a series of video, maybe 7 weeks, maybe 8 weeks, we don't know, but today we're going to start to learn Igbo language. And I just want to do this because I know there are people out there who wants to learn Igbo language, and I know there are people out there who just needs the extra help with pronunciation, and I'm gonna be here to help you. But a little overview is Igbo language is one of the most languages that are spoken in Nigeria. There's Yoruba, there's Hausa, but these three languages are the most popular languages, and Igbo language happens to be one of them. Well, you're like, what is Igbo? Who speaks Igbo? Well, Asasibo, meaning Igbo language. Asasibo is one of the native language, not one, it is the native language of the Igbo people living in the Igbo land in southeastern Nigeria. I know, that's a lot of information. What? So, Igbo language is spoken by Igbo people in the southeastern part of Nigeria. Now, if you're trying to, know where this is, maybe you need to travel to the Igbo land. If not, I'm just going to do the best I can to explain this to you. So Igbo land, when I say Igbo land, what does that mean? What does that consist of? Igbo land consists of Abia State, Anambra, Enugu, Ebonyi, Imo, Rivers, and Delta. That's what we call Igbo land. That in this place is where you go. This is where you're gonna see Igbo ancestors, people who've been there for years, living there. They're Igbos. That's what we call Igbo land. But today we're going to learn about the Igbo alphabets, also known as Mkpuru Okwu Igbo. I know what? I know this is beginner's lesson, so I'm gonna do my best to go slow so that you understand, and so that if you're having problems, I can be able to go with you on that, so we can be able to repeat and do all that. So it's called Mkpuru Okwu Igbo. Mkpuru means seed. That's what Mkpuru literally means, seed. Okwu means words. Igbo obviously is the language. So alphabet is Mkpuru Okwu Igbo. However, there are other different ways people say it. People say alphabets in Igbo language. Other people say Mkpuru Edemede. Mkpuru again is seeds, words, whatever. And Edemede means writing. So some people in somewhere in Igbo land, or some dialects, because also I gotta tell you there are different kinds of Igbo dialects. So it's not just one Igbo fits all. No, some Igbo person can come out here and speak, and somebody else who knows Igbo would not understand what they're saying. Different dialects. So different dialects have different ways of translating some words. So, but I'm gonna do my best to explain it to you in a way that no matter what dialect it is, you can be able to understand. So it's Mkpuru Okwu Igbo, Mkpuru Edemede, and the other one that I've heard is ABD. People call it that. I know all three, so I just want to teach you that. That's all. Before we go on to learning the Mkpuru Okwu Igbo, I would like to let you know that there are 36 alphabets in the Igbo alphabet words. You know what I mean? Iri. So how do you say 36 in Igbo? It's Iri Ato na Isi. That's gonna be our next video. You do not have to stress about this. I just want to translate. In the next video, we're gonna do Igbo numbers. But we have 36 Igbo alphabets. Iri Ato na Isi. And there are English letters that you don't find in the Igbo alphabets. That includes C, Q, and X. Those are not in the Igbo alphabet. But since I already gave you guys a little introduction, a little overview, let's get started. So the first letter in the Igbo language, in the Igbo alphabet, is A. What you typically know as A is A, not A. A. The second letter is B. B, not B. B, B. Chi, CH, not like the regular alphabet is just C. This one is CH, so it's called A, B, Chi, D. A, it's not E, it's A, F, not F, G, not G, it's G, B, E, Gui, He, E, A, G, K, B, Qui, Li, Mi, Ni, Nye, We, Nye, O, A, P, Ri, Si, She, T, U, O, V, We, Ye, Z. That wasn't easy. I know. So if you want to rewind or replay, go ahead and do that. But I'm going to tell you real quick that I'm going to go through it again. But the words that you might find difficult to say is usually the we, gui, those G words. They can be frustrating. So take your time. Leave comments in the comment section below. If you need extra help, if you need me to, go in details with things, let me know. I will help you. Like I said, this is gonna be a whole series. Don't worry. Just go ahead and repeat that video over and over, and you'll be able to get it. And remember, practice makes perfect. Don't just do it one day and then say, "Oh, I'm done." No. You gotta do it over and over and over and over and over and over before you get it right, before you are able to teach like me. So don't forget, you gotta practice, you gotta put in the work, and you'll get the result that you want. Again, I want to say this, that there are other people out there who might say, "Oh no, she's not saying this right, she's not saying this right." Remember, different dialects, different pronunciation. This is how I learned. This is how I was taught in school. So this is how I'm teaching you. Of the 36 alphabets, 8 of them is the vowels. The vowels are usually called udume. I know, because you know how we call vowels? It's udume. Every word has a translation in Igbo language, trust me. The vowels are the A, the A, the E, the O, and U. Those are the vowels. So that's the A, E, I, the I with a dot at the bottom, the O and the O with a dot at the bottom, the U and the U with the dot at the bottom. So the other alphabets are the consonants. So I just wanted to let you guys know that. So there's this rule: you cannot have 2 vowels together at the same time. Now, this doesn't really matter right now because we're still learning, we're still in the beginning, and that's why I'm not going to go in depth, because I don't want to confuse you. Let's just learn the alphabets first, and then the numbers, and then we'll move on, and then when we get there, then I will teach you guys more and more. But I wanted to point out right now, there is this rule that when you're making a sentence, you cannot have 2 vowels together or close to each other. We're going to get into that later on. Right now, this is beginner's Igbo class. So let's focus on just learning the simple things. Hope this video was helpful to you, and you thumbs up, like it, subscribe if you haven't, and please leave a comment if you want me to do something else better, or if you want me to clarify something. I will be glad to do it. I will see you guys next time, and we will be learning the Igbo numbers. Bye guys.